Ever wonder who creates those stunning visuals that make you stop and stare? Welcome to the world of visual designers. These creative minds are the maestros behind the captivating imagery that defines brands, tells stories, and engages audiences. They're the artists painting our digital landscape with striking aesthetics. They mix colors, shapes, and typography, all to capture our imagination. In today's episode, we're going to delve into what it means to be a visual designer. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of a visual designer. So, what does a visual designer do exactly? Well, imagine being the creative force behind the compelling visuals that catch your eye in advertisements, or the appealing layout on your favorite website. That's the magic of a visual designer. Visual designers are responsible for creating engaging designs that effectively communicate a message or a brand's identity. They craft visual concepts using computer software or by hand to communicate ideas that inspire, inform, or captivate consumers. Their role extends beyond just making things look good. A visual designer works closely with other team members, including marketers, product managers, and UX designers. They play a crucial role in branding, creating the visual language that represents a company or a product. Their work is seen and experienced by potentially millions of people, making every pixel, every color choice, and every font selection significant. A visual designer's work is impactful and visible, making it a truly rewarding role. Now, you must be wondering, what skills do I need to become a visual designer? Well, your journey begins with creativity. It's the heartbeat of visual design. You need to be able to generate original ideas and translate them into engaging visuals. But it's not just about the big picture. Attention to detail is equally crucial. A misplaced pixel or an inconsistent color scheme can make or break your design. So keep those eagle eyes sharp. And of course, proficiency in design software is a must. Tools like Adobe Creative Suite, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, are your bread and butter. But don't stop there. Broaden your toolkit with knowledge of UX UI design platforms like Sketch or Figma. Also, don't forget the soft skills. Communication and teamwork can be the difference between a good design and a great one. Because when ideas collide, magic happens. With the right skills and tools, you can create designs that captivate and inspire. Every job has its challenges, and visual design is no exception. Picture this: it's a Monday morning, and you're handed a project with a tight deadline. The clock is ticking, and your creativity, resilience, and time management skills are put to the test. It's a race against time, and the pressure is palpable. Now imagine a world that's constantly evolving, where design trends change as quickly as the seasons. As a visual designer, you're expected to keep your finger on the pulse, staying updated and adapting to these shifts. You're not just a creator, you're also a lifelong learner, absorbing new information like a sponge. And then there's the challenge of client expectations. You're a conduit, translating their vision into a visual language that speaks to their audience. Balancing client needs with design best practices can sometimes feel like walking a tightrope. But let's flip the coin and look at the rewards. There's a certain thrill in overcoming these challenges, a sense of accomplishment that's hard to match. When your design resonates with its audience, sparks conversations, or drives action, it's a testament to your skills and creativity. Then there's the competitive salary, a tangible reward for your hard work. But perhaps the most significant reward is the job satisfaction, the joy of creating something from nothing, breathing life into ideas and watching them take shape. Despite the challenges, the rewards of being a visual designer make it an appealing career choice. But what about growth opportunities in visual design, you may ask? Well, the field of visual design is a dynamic one, teeming with numerous opportunities for advancement and diversification. Starting as a junior visual designer, you can work your way up to a senior visual designer role, and then on to becoming a design director or a creative director. Each step up brings new challenges and responsibilities, but also greater creative influence. There's also room for specialization. Ever thought about focusing on user interface design or becoming an expert in motion graphics? Or perhaps you'd like to dive into the world of branding and identity design. Each of these roles is interconnected, yet distinct, offering you a chance to carve out your unique niche within this vibrant industry. But remember, progress requires continual learning, adaptation, and above all, a passion for visual communication. So, keep honing your skills, embracing new technologies, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. With hard work and dedication, the sky's the limit in visual design.